Hi, this is our semester project, part 2. So first, the problem. The students are assigned to work on a project that illustrates the life cycle of a butterfly for open house and are encouraged to make it look nice for their parents. While working on the assignment, the student notices that another student is using her markers and then gets very upset, saying that the other student um, took them from her desk. There is an argument over the supplies and who they belong to. The accused child is upset, embarrassed, and feeling like she can't complete the project because she doesn't have access to the necessary materials to finish the project the way she wants, and is scared she won't be able to make it look nice enough to display it. There's one student who brought her markers from home and another whose socioeconomic status does not allow his or her family to be able to buy extra materials. Therefore, the student feels there is a need for these markers in order to complete the project and is very discouraged. So our solution, in order to quickly and efficiently solve the problem, the teacher would give the student the supplies that they need to complete the project. The teacher would say something like, "These look like Emily's markers, but I have other markers that you can use." We need to diffuse the situation and make sure that the child using another person's supplies is not embarrassed. We may want to talk to the child on a separate occasion to make sure that they have everything that they need at home and at school. Children need to have an equal opportunity to learn, and not having school supplies can hinder that. We may be able to help supply needed items to this child, but there may be more children in the school that need supplies. This may be a bigger problem within the school.
It's really important that all the students are considered when creating a lasting solution for the inequities in the classroom. So even though this happened in one classroom, it should be addressed school-wide. And this could be done by addressing the situation in a staff meeting, by reaching out to administrators or other teachers for suggestions. It's also an appropriate place to suggest that families not be required to send school supplies for their students, and instead the school would provide what is needed for the kids to use at school. This change, of course, would require school funds to be used. And since teachers already buy a disproportionate amount of school supplies for their classroom and for their students' use, it would be suggested that the PTA and other resources could be used to donate or to sponsor this school-wide need.
Providing students with the supplies will ensure that there is equity and a sense of equality in the classroom. It will also allow the means for each child to be prepared to learn. This will make a strong impact on how confident the students feel in being prepared for class. Being confident in their preparation will also boost their self-esteem, and in turn, they will be more interested in learning.
Okay, great. Thanks for watching our presentation.